these times, it's really critical that we plant as much as we can, that we get as much yield as we can.
Yeah, while still regenerating the earth.
While still regenerating the earth and having the healthiest food that will solve our medical problems.
So when you say beneficial to our microbiome, how does that happen?
What's happening with the current way we're growing food is it isn't feeding our microbiome. And because of that, we have amazing numbers of chronic degenerative diseases. And right now, it's affecting how we respond to the pandemic. So people that have healthy microbiomes are nowhere near as at risk as the people who haven't been eating healthy food.
Yeah, I sure would like to stop taking probiotics, get those off my shopping list and out of my expenses. I do notice that my guts feel a little better since eating food that I've grown with a full healthy microbiome in the soil. I didn't expect that.
Great, yes. And so that's another thing we'd like everybody to notice.